McDonald's. Then McCafe. Then dito yung normal McDonald's. We're having our breakfast na. And yeah, hindi pa ako nakakaliko. Nag-base lang ako. So, the usual big breakfast. Pancake, egg, muffin. Right. Then hash brown. Then there's one more there. Back up. And we're having coffee with Bob. Share. Are you going to share? Oh, you're going to drink. Koi. You never drink koi. Liao liao. You're going to drink liao liao. Sarado pa yung liao liao. So yeah, kain tayo. Or we are home na, and Baba is going to take his nap already. And just now bumili ako ng magazine ulit there, Her World and what do you call this thing, 8 days. Grabe, kanina naglalakad ako, parang wala akong short, ang haba-haba nung t-shirt ni Dwayne. So hindi pa namin alam kung anong plano today. Matutulog pa daw si Dwayne. And ako naman, inantok din ako, pero parang ayaw kong matulog. So, ano mangyayari today? Magtutupi pala ako nung nilaban ko kahapon. Yeah. Yun lang. Maglilinis ng konti. So, yeah. Maybe, let's see what will happen later. Alas 12 na ata. Yeah, 12:08 na. So, nagugutom na ako. Kain muna ako nitong porridge na tinapaw namin kanina. There. And, yeah, yun lang. Nagsampay na rin ako nung mga nilaban ko. And, katatapos ko lang manood nung On the Wings of Love. Nakakaaliw. Mukhang Jebs daw siya. And, mamaya pa yung gigising si Dwayne mga 2 or 3 o'clock. So, mamaya pa kami kakain ng proper lunch. So, kukain ko muna to. Anyway, marami naman akong tidbits dito. Kaya, no worries. Iniisip ko lang saan kami pupunta mamaya. Kasi kailangan na yung mag-grocery. So, yeah. Nothing much again. So, yeah. Kain tayo. Porridge. Ito naman ako sa room. Binuksan ko yung bintana dito for the first time. Kasi, mainit. Dito kasi nanggagaling yung yung hangin sa labas. And you can see from here, yan yung sampayan nila. Oh. So, yung sampayan namin dito, diba? So, lahat yan, dire-diretso hanggang doon sa taas. Yan yung sampayan nila. Sa baba din. There. Kaya nagkakahulog yung mga ipit nila, oh. Ayun yung kusina namin. So, yan, ang ganda, oh. Ang mahangin talaga dito. Buti na lang binuksan ko pala. And, yeah. While my computer is restarting, magbabasa muna ako ng mga devotional books ko. I feel so guilty kasi, diba dapat daily to? Since lumipat kami dito, I don't think, ito lang yung nababasa. Yung Bible ko, yung A Faithful Heart, wala pa akong nababasa. So, I'm going to read for a while. Yun din ang disadvantage ng ng mga social network. Medyo nagiging busy ako, tapos hindi ako nakapagbasa ng dapat nabasa ko. Tapos, basta, minsan maganda rin pag naka-cut off sa internet stuff. So yeah, pasensya na kayong makalat sa background na kasi hindi ko pa natatapos yung mga tupihin ko. So nilagay pa namin din sa corner. Tapos mamaya pagkagising ni Dwayne, tsaka lang ako magliligpit or either bukas, kasi bukas wala akong gagawin. Buong araw lang ako dito sa house kasi nga morning si Dwayne. So yeah, ayan, magbabasa muna ako kasi ayan malapit na namang mabuhay yung distraction. So yeah, pa rin si Baba. So kakain na lang muna ako nito. Nagugutom na ulit ako. At saka Milo. So yeah. Tapos nag-online shopping din ako. Window online shopping ba? Window shopping online. Paliw. Hindi ko na nakayanan. Nagugutom na ako. Gusto ko na ng rice. So, magluluto na lang ako. Ayan. Sinusote ko na yung chicken. Mag-ano lang ako. Adobo. Sayang nga walang patatas. Paborito pa naman ni Dwayne yung patatas. Kaso, tinatamad na akong bumaba. Hindi pa ako nakakaluto. So, yan na lang. Chicken adobo. Without patatas. And, nanonood ako ng vlog ni Bubbly Momshell. So, yeah. Grabe, ginutom ako. Hindi ko na natiis. Ay, sarap kasi ng tulog ni Dwayne, kaya ayoko din siyang gisingin. So, yeah. Ito muna ako. Ayan. Nanonood ako ng video ni matagdan, kakain na ako. Nagutom na talaga ako. Chicken adobo. Ayan, yung pinili ko yung mga mabuto-butong part kasi yun yung favorite ko. So, yeah, kain. Mauna na ako kay Baba. Ayan, dito na ako kakain sa sala para manood ako ng TV. So, nasabi ko na pala kanina. Ang init ngayon, grabe. So, yeah, kain tayo. Nanood ako ng House Hunter. Yung favorite channel. So, yeah, kain. Ayun pa yung makakalat. Parang wala man lang akong ginawa today. Manood lang ng manood ng vlogs and window shopping online. Kaya tomorrow babawi ako kasi ang tawag doon, nasa work si Dwayne buong araw. Pag nandito kasi si Dwayne, wala akong masyadong ginagawa. Tinatamad ako. Kaya kain. Ayan na si Baba, gising na siya. Where are you? Yala, I cannot see you there. Ode? Ayan, kakain na siya. Katatapos ko lang kumain, tapos bigla siya nagising na. So, mag-isa lang niyang kakain. Grabe, super busog naman ngayon. Kanina, super gutom. Hindi namin alam kung saan kayo pupunta. Baka magtambay na lang kami dito sa bahay. Kasi may pasok siya tomorrow. Dire-diretsyong pang umaga. Kawawi naman. So, ito kami ngayon ulit sa train station. It's like we're here this morning. Then now we're here again. Kukunin namin yung kotse dun sa Hougang. Tapos pupunta kami ng Vivo. Then mag-iikot lang kami ng konti. Maybe find our dinner there. Then we're going to pick sister from
What is gonna treat me dinner?
SGH.
Then she's gonna treat me dinner. She says gonna treat me fish and co.
I don't like fishing ko. I don't feel like eating
Thai
fishing
food.
ko. Let's see. Can
Really?
eat my favorite
What?
mango sticky rice. Grabe, I'm so fat already.
Welcome to the club.
Baliw. Lawyaw moment again. basta walang masyadong queue, bibili kami. Pero pag mahaba yung queue, we will not buy, right?
I mean, for me, the queue not long.
Pag walang masyadong queue, bibili kami. So, we're going to send the
Food to there.
food for that.
Then you got food, then you scold me.
Wala, mom say don't have rep. Kasi nandun pa rin sa sister-in-law ko, you see yung mother-in-law ko. So we bought dinner for my father-in-law, then we'll out the house. So yeah. Here at Giant, at yan, yung nabili namin. Nakabili kami ng oven nang wala sa oras. Show that face.
She says she's gonna bake. We shall see. I hope.
Baked salmon?
I hope it will be used anyway. I hope.
But I didn't ask you to buy it. You're the one who said it's worth it and you wanted to buy it.
Seriously? So I can put it back?
Okay, and if you want to, then you don't regret it. At that time you keep regretting, oh, I should have bought it because it's cheap.
Oh, now you're using reverse psychology, yo.
Maybe you should buy this one. It's more color, 120. Oh, 890 only, oh. This brand is the one we're using at home, right?
No lah.
Yeah.
Eh?
I mean, mom's house.
Oh, mom's one and our brand.
Is it?
Can't take one so far.
So yeah, ito is my best purchase. Ang soft niya. Ilalagay ko dun sa ano ilalagay ko dun sa ano namin sa sofa. Kasi 'di ba leather mainit. So yan yung ilalagay ko. Then I bought a new water bottle. Tapos slipper for baba, tsaka pot. So, yeah. Ayun si Dwayne, busy. We share us. Dito pala kami sa Thai Express for dinner. And I'm going to order... Ito na yun. I'm going to order this one. French cheese. Tapos si Dwayne dito. Then of course dessert is my favorite, mango sticky rice. Sarap mo, parang halo-halo lang. Ayan. There. Here's my fried rice. Then baba soft shell fried rice.
Yep.
Then the funny mango sticky rice. As well, dalawa siyang bola. Kain tayo. Hello! We're home na. Baba. Si Saint-Lo ko na ang nag-drive ng kotse papunta sa Hougang. Right, Wewe? Sister will drive the car, then pick up my sister-in-law and drive the car to
Take your mother-in-law
to her house. Then mom will drive the car to their house. Yeah lang. So it's a good thing. Yun nga lang, Dwayne's kaki is there.
Yeah,
Now you don't have a kaki.
yeah, that's another problem.
You just tell mom to put your kaki inside the house because we still have the house key. Yeah, so we're going to say good night now because it's already 10:30
and maghilamos pa kami and everything. Then tomorrow, Dwayne will start his payback at work morning, and tomorrow I got a lot of things to tidy up. So, yeah. I don't know if I will go to Hougang to go church tomorrow. Let's see. So, good night, baby. Night. Thank you for watching.